Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove acne, pimples, and get rid of acne and pimples without leaving a scar. With very simple ingredients at home, you can get rid of acne and pimples and you will get clear and clean skin naturally. This magical remedy works 100% and super effective in removing acne and pimples and will get you an amazing result from first use. You will get rid of the acne and pimples, and it's amazingly effective without leaving any scar, without any side effects. It is super effective. All you need to do is prepare it at home and try it, and you will get an amazing results, my friends. But before we start out, don't forget to like the video, and if you are not subscriber to my channel and it's the first time you see my video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified and you will be able to watch it. So my friends, the first ingredient we need is cinnamon, and we need cinnamon sticks like so, and we need to grind it fine into a powder in order to try the remedy and in order to start the remedy. Grind it fine into a powder. And add around half teaspoon of cinnamon powder like so. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of natural raw honey. Honey is super effective in removing any kind of pimples and any kind of acne, and it's super amazing. It works 100%. It doesn't cause any skin problems, and it's super effective. It's antibacterial and anti-static naturally, my friends. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so. And all we need to add is 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Now mix well all the ingredients like so. After we mix well all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. As you can tell, it's a thick consistency and it's amazingly effective in removing any kind of pimple and acne. Apply it on the pimple or on the acne and leave it for 1 hour, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. You will notice a great results in your acne and pimple. It get it dry and it get rid of it naturally, and you will not have any scar after using this remedy. The acne and pimple will disappear naturally, my friends. I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.